What are you doing over there, babe?
Oh, you're covered in
It's
snow.
cold. It's completely, like, a lot is coming down. It's gonna be completely white within 30 minutes. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Stay blessed, stay grateful, stay humble. Y'all have a good one. Peace.
Should I fall?
Do it.
Fall backwards?
Yeah, do it, do it,
It's gonna hurt though.
No, it's not.
I made a snow angel.
But yeah, I love you. I'll give you a call here in a little bit, okay?
Have fun. Be safe.
This is pretty amazing, right?
Yeah, it's great.
Super nice.
Yeah, everybody getting the day off. Like, this is awesome.
This is awesome. Let me see, guys. Stay right there. Ooh, you little scummies.
Softest thing ever, guys. He actually touched his head. I can't get.
Scoot back. Scoot down a little bit. Is that it?
I made a snowball earlier.
I made a snow angel.
You want to try to drive through it, you're saying?
Yeah, I think we'd be okay driving through it.
You're making a snowman.
I know. Wanna go see it? Come on. Yeah, we didn't get nothing like that. Ours is like really light. Dang, I got a lot. Bro, you have no idea. Man. This looks like a Colorado. This is beautiful, right?
Yeah, just
It's
like
you.
you. Love throwing snowballs.
Fine, I'll throw one at Dad then.
What the heck, dude? Bro, I ought to just go walking.
Dun, dun, dun,
Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. And there's the coppers.
Okay, because
What the heck is up with that one?
Chloe drew on it when she was littler.
Let's go.
More little.
These guys are going for a ride. Let's see if they'll make it to our destination. So there's no power. Haven't had power for like 8 hours. We're all freaking starving.
So we're going to Tia Molly's house.
We drove around everywhere to try to get something to eat, and everything is closed. H-E-B, Walmart. And we got these guys along for the ride. I think we're gonna lose the girls' Barbies with the hair somewhere down the line. I'm pretty sure. We're only going about 25 miles an hour.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's just covered in ice all the way to the freaking tire.
We're not moving. We're not going.
Lost one already.
His name was Cannon. Alright.
R.I.P. Cannon. Right?
Right.
Like this. It's like you're driving all of these roads for the first time.
Yeah, it's so different. Slipping, y'all, slipping.
It doesn't let you put the gas in it. There go my cousins right there. There go Venom right there. And Batman, he's still holding it down. And then those crazy raggedy ass look like they just left the club at 3 in the morning. They got stepped on the way out ass. We're almost there.
Find us for a sec. And then go to that side.
I think they missed their freaking entrance twice. Oh my god.
It's not gonna go in park. Oh, good job. Oh shit. I had to throw it in reverse.
Woo!
OMG.
Most of the time we ever go here is at night.
Woo!
That
Did
is
you see that, baby?
Yeah, good job.
We couldn't make it up the hill. I had to put it in
It
reverse.
rode us back. Dude, you put it in park, babe.
I know, on accident.
And it was still going.
I took out a part of the way though.
Oh no, I know, but I'm saying that's how crazy the snow was.
This is it right here, right?
I think so, yeah.
It's going to die right here. It's going to die right here.
Dude, they made it.
I hope Devin's gonna be okay driving that back.
Oh wait.
What up? Hey, it's a trip driving in that shit, right?
Wonderland.
Hey, you gotta basically know you're gonna slide with every turn.
Like Mario Kart.
Exactly, exactly. Ooh. Watch out.
They were getting mad because I was like trying to catch up to you.
Hey, we were out here last night.
I saw y'all.
5 times.
Did you think it was gonna look like this?
Nah.
This is crazy.
Bro, hell no. This is wild.
This is sick.
Snow, bro.
I am so thankful right now.
Right.
I just
what I
feel
said.
completely blessed.
Right.
we're so lucky to all to be where we're at. Like we're all we have gone through a lot of shit, but we're in a good spot.
Yeah. Happy birthday, cuz!
Look at this shit.
This is
If we
wild.
didn't appreciate before, like we should definitely.
They got my ass. They got my ass. Woo! Thankful, 2021. Let's get it.